The autotransform is the most important action in ordinary objects. It allows you to move and reposition objects according to other objects. I will go through all of the options provided by the autotransform. Currently, I have a cube selected in the scene, and on the right, you can see that there is an autotransform action. The blue outline around the action indicates that the action is currently active. The control parameter specifies that we're controlling the second cube with this autotransform. The key thing about the control parameter is that we can actually choose to select other objects in the scene. The anchor parameter is what object is the parent object in relation to us. So in this case, the first cube is the parent object for the second cube. And you can see the first cube as this gray transparent box. The origin is where are we on the first cube. In this case, we are in the center, but we could be in the corner, the bottom a bit closer to the front. So this would allow us to more precisely position objects in relation to each other. Position itself is the same as if I would be dragging this object using the gizmo tools here. The rotation is also the same. So if I were to grab this axis, we can rotate this way. I can pull it out a little bit and then we can rotate more. And scale, of course, is controlling the size of the object. The lazy parameter allows you to adjust the speed at which the object follows its parent object. So if I reposition this a little bit on this corner here and grab the parent object, you will see that there is a delay between how quickly the child is following. The other thing that autotransform does is allow us to control the hierarchy. In this case, if we look on the left, the second cube is the child of the first cube. But we can actually move the second cube out, and this will adjust the anchor for the second cube. So now we are a child of the plane anchor, while the first cube is independent. We can also switch this to be the other way around. So now the first cube is a child of the second cube.